Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over with you how to solve a basic trig equation. So the idea behind solving a basic trig equation is you want to start by isolating the trig function to one side of the equation, and then you want to work on solving for the variable. In this example here, we're going to find all the solutions of the trig equation, and we're going to start with 3 sine of x minus 2 equals 5 sine of x minus 1. We're going to start by isolating the trig function, which means trying to get all the sine of x pieces all to one side. So I'm going to start by moving 3 sine of x to the other side. That would be minus 3 sine of x, and I want to do that on both sides. So I'm also going to subtract 3 sine of x over here. I should cancel and leave us with negative 2 equals, this is 2 sine of x minus 1. We'll move this negative 1 to the other side. Opposite of that is positive 1. Okay, so that'll also cancel. And notice we're following the same algebraic process with solving any algebraic equation. Okay, so we have here negative 2 plus 1, which is just negative 1. And we have 2 sine of x. So to continue isolating this trig function, we must divide by 2. And then we are left with our trig function, sine of x. And of course, sine of x here is just equal to negative 1/2. Now that we're done isolating the trig function, we have to start solving for the variable. So we have to think about what are the values of sine that are going to equal to negative 1/2. Okay, and the two values of sine that give us negative 1/2 should be 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. But this is only true on the intervals of 0 to 2 pi. And so since we want to find all of the solutions for this trig equation, we don't want to just stop from the values of 0 to 2 pi. We want to make sure to include all of the solutions, infinite many solutions, and so we want to make sure to include all their coterminal angles as well. And in order to say that, we say that x has to equal to 7 pi over 6, and we want to make sure to include its period, which is 2 pi for the sine function, so plus 2n pi. And by indicating the n in here, it just means you're including all of its coterminal angles as well. We also want to do the same for 11 pi over 6, and we want to make sure to add that 2n pi as well, and that'll indicate all of the solutions for this trig equation. Okay, I hope you guys found this helpful. If you're liking my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see anything specific, please don't forget to put a comment below. Thank you for watching.